Today I'll show you how to make the best mediocre post-leg day snack in my opinion. Then again, my opinion probably sucks. Anyway, here we go. You will need 1 can of
chili,
1 can of
tuna,
and your choice of hot sauce. Open and drain your
tuna,
Get that chili ready. Don't cut yourself, emo boy. Looks like the truck stop bathroom special, doesn't it? I think this is where you add the
tuna,
Sounds good. Mix it.
up,
Have Chef Mike heat it up for you for 2 minutes. Have some pop. Careful homie, it's hot. Throw some hot sauce in that bad boy.
Ugh. Brother, ugh. What's that?
Slurp that stuff down.
What's that, brother?